First, we have to combine the like terms. 4a plus 3a is 7a, plus 7a is 14a, equals 28. In order to find value of a, I'm supposed to divide both sides equation by whatever is multiplied to a. In this case, I have 14. 14 and 14 will cancel out, and I'm going to have a equals 28 divided by 14 is equal 2. And this is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at the second example. We're supposed to combine the like terms. 0.5a plus 0.5a is equal 1a equals 1. 1 times a, we simply say is equal a. A is equal 1. In order to verify the answer, you're supposed to replace these a's by 1. And I'm going to have 0.5 times 1 plus 0.5 times 1 equals 1. Half times 1 is simply half, plus half times 1 is half. Half plus half is 1 whole. 1 is equal 1. Left side of my equation is equal to the right side of my equation. That's why this is the solution to my problem.